Before BTA, there was a lot of frustration in time that there should be family time. So we were spending a lot of time helping her study, trying to help her like memorize things and get things, for a test or whatever she had going on that week. And we just couldn't do it. And so we were spending a lot of time it was a lot of tension, a lot of frustration, because like I said, we're not teachers. And so that's the biggest thing for us that BTA has provided, that family time back. So once she gets home from BTA, we don't have anything else to do. It was learning her multiplication tables, the higher numbers, 7, 8, and 9. We have been working on those with her forever. I don't know, I guess since first grade, but like 7, 8, and 9 just clicked last year. Now, I know that was BTA because we have been working on it since the 7th grade. They have been a blessing to our family, especially giving us back that valuable family time at the end of the day, where we're not constantly studying or she's getting frustrated with us or we're getting frustrated with her. So that's been a huge help with our family balance.